everyone! Today I'm going to tell you an experiment how to produce carbon dioxide. When baking soda reacts with vinegar, it releases carbon dioxide. I have taken baking soda in this bottle. Now I'm going to pour vinegar in this. The bubbles are the carbon dioxide. Let's test it with flame. You see, the candle lit off. The candle lit off means carbon dioxide is releasing. Hope you like the experiment. Bye-bye.